Temperatures in the Delaware Valley on Christmas Day could be the lowest they've been in decades. That has HVAC companies in our area on alert. CBS 3's Howard Monroe shows us how to keep your system in tip-top shape.
The weather outside is frightful, but the team at Gen 3 Electrical and HVAC in Grays Ferry are hoping to keep your home delightful.
Unfortunately, we tend to call these huge shifts fire season. And that's because people really overtax their electrical systems, especially when they're trying to use window AC units or electrical space heaters.
With this just being the start of the cold season, there's no signs of stopping, and they want to make sure your HVAC system isn't slowly dying.
It is always on the coldest days and the hottest days that we get the teary, really panicky phone calls.
Debbie Lutz is the general manager of the South Philly Repair Company. She says test the system before getting your corn for popping.
Typically in Philadelphia, it should be prior to Thanksgiving, but we know, I know some proud Philadelphians, they don't turn their heat on until Christmas. And if they haven't turned it on and really checked it, they really should do so before the Christmas holiday weekends when everything starts to shut down.
Lutz says before it's 10 below, seal your windows and door jambs, close your curtains or blinds, and free up space around radiators and vents. Also, buy a humidifier.
It's time to raise the humidity. More humid air will feel warmer, so at lower temperatures, you'll feel a lot more comfortable in the house.
So, while we'll hate going out in the storm, Lutz says the ideal temperature in your house should be between 65 and 68 degrees. Howard Monroe, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.